Was the conditions of the jack safe? Can't answer that because I don't want it to be a problem with OSHA. As you can see, I took the funnel off. I just said I'm gonna cap it, and we're gonna see what happened. This recently happened, along with this. Yeah, other than that, Samantha is sitting interestingly right now. All right, welcome back, people, to my YouTube channel. What we are not gonna do, absolutely not gonna do, is talk about what's on my head. Just leave it alone, act like it's not there. Photoshop it, cover it up with your finger, I don't care. But if you're not a part of the channel, hit the subscribe button because I am 300 away from 4,000 subs on YouTube, and that would be sick. And follow me on Instagram, same thing as the YouTube channel. So, thought I'd make a quick video and talk about what's going on with Samantha because I fucked up. Let me show you. All right, so come over here. This is my timing wheel, right? Timing wheel spins, sensor will detect and do its thing. But this recently happened, along with this. Now you may be asking yourself, Carl, how'd you do that, buddy? Well, let me explain. I was jacking up the car to lower it and put it on the ground to take the maiden voyage. And then, was the conditions of the jack safe? Can't answer that because I don't want it to be a problem with OSHA. And then the car was in the air, and then it wasn't. And luckily, the only thing that was hit was my timing wheel. I saw it, I really wasn't sure what was going on, so I got the jack out of the way, and I was more worried about, instead of the timing wheel, I was more worried about the engine and the internals and making sure that my eccentric shaft, or E-shaft, was not bent in any way, so I'm able to spin it over by hand. I'm sitting there like, okay, spin by hand, that's fine. I got a ratchet on there, turned it, everything sounded fine. So all right, let me get in the car, because as you guys know how my car is set up, I can just crank it, don't need the key. So I cranked it, spins, everything sounds fine, like nothing sounded bad. So I was like, all right, cool. Talked to my tuner, talked to Kevin, and I even talked to Ramos, and they're all three were like, nah, you'll be all right, you're fine. As long as it didn't hit the actual crank pulley, which it didn't, it only hit the timing wheel. So I was good there, but now I need a timing wheel. So I need to order another timing wheel. Once I get a timing wheel on here, I can then put it back on. The car should just run just like before. We don't have to reset timing or anything like that. Just need to put it on there, have the new sensor on there, plug it all in, and wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Car is good. Now, let's go to the garage. Now, there is one interesting thing that I need to figure out, and where are my keys? Because I don't know. But as you can see, I took the funnel off. I just said I'm going to cap it, and we're going to see what happens with the coolant temp. Got the timing wheel off. Car front end is still up in the air. I need to bleed the clutch because when I was trying to put it in gear, I couldn't. I was kind of like force it in. So I think I need to re-bleed my clutch again. Do that. I need to get a check valve that goes from a vacuum port on the engine to my brake booster, so I can actually have good brakes, not hard brakes. When the car somehow fell from in the sky down to the ground, I also discovered that I did not have my transmission bolt all the way in. So that's another interesting thing. So I need to actually put the bolt back into the mount. That's all. So that needs to be mounted properly. So I need to do that. I need to get the check valve. I need to get the timing wheel. I haven't ran this line down here off the oil fill neck to my catch can yet. So I either need to do that or just cap that port right there for the time being until I just decide to run the line. We still need to go to Will's house to do the exhaust, but I'm not doing that until the car actually is drivable. In a sense, no, I'm not driving it there because, no. I need to do the exhaust, we need to do the dump tubes, and then the interesting thing down here, which is what I'm also looking at, is my random oil leak that is coming from the pan, Now, as you guys know, we made this pan, so I think there may be like a slight crack in the pan. I'm not exactly sure because when I look around the lip of the pan, I don't see anything dripping or anything like that. So I think there may be a crack. I have JB Weld. I just need to find out where it's coming from, and I'll just JB Weld it up. Because once I'm ready, I'm just gonna take the pan off. I'll keep the pan because it's something that we made. It was our first try, something I've never done before, so I wanna hold on to it. And I'll get a billet pan made and I'll slap that on, so we'll be good there. And it'll stiffen up the engine as well. And then, what else do I need to do? I need to, once I get everything back on, put the alternator back where it needs to be, reconnect everything, find my damn keys, and yeah, so we should be good to go. I thought I saw this blink over here. Let me just see something so I don't kill my battery. 64%, excuse me? Yeah, fully charged. That was kind of weird. It's never showed that before. But so yeah, do those things. Oh god. Do those things, and I keep stepping on this damn funnel. I've broken it, so I'll get another funnel because I don't want any plastic in my engine. So yeah, other than that, Samantha is sitting interestingly right now, but everything is still pretty good. I'm not necessarily worried about anything else. I just need to get a new timing wheel. Once we get a new timing wheel, then I can get back on this car and get to work on it. Okay, as you guys see, I have 2 seats. I actually have 2 helmets because I wanted the carbon fiber helmet originally. It was like my dream helmet, dream setup. I don't think I actually ever showed it. Yeah, come on. Yeah, carbon fiber helmet, blue visor, best look, can't convince me of anything else. So I got a helmet. I have my old helmet, the one that I painted, that's under there. That'll just be a spare helmet or anyone that rides along with me. Door cards, I have harnesses, I have a new steering wheel, I have a new steering wheel hub, everything under there, like interior wise. I have a few engine pieces under there. Can't show you guys that because I want to keep the engine that I want to put in this car a secret, but I have engine parts, I have a lot of things. I just need to get something that's not a project car to drive around. So I'll get a truck that'll come off the road and we can start installing parts. I have all the seat brackets, everything, so that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this quick video, quick little snippet, a little tidbit, I hope you guys did. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, whatever you want to do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.